Fiddle leaf fig tree, whose name reflects the large violin-shaped leaves, is the houseplant of the design world, and this tree has been decorating the best interiors the past few years. So, my 20-year-old faux ficus tree has been in the basement just gathering dust because it's dated and embarrassing to put anywhere in the house. But at the same time, I couldn't bear to throw it out because I'm a hoarder. So I decided to cut it down and reuse it. As long as it doesn't have that outdated faux fig tree look, complete with the wicker planter cover, I think I can still make it fit in okay. So I've got a couple of different saws, and I'm gonna see if I can use at least one of these to successfully cut one or two stalks of this tree to put in that vase right there. Oh, no wonder! It looks like the stalks had been nailed together. See? Now I'm just rotating the tree around to figure out which side looks the best. So I think this angle looks the best, and I think just one stalk of this ficus tree is good. I had cut one stalk, and this is what remains of it. And now I'm going to use this saw to cut these two remaining stalks of this artificial ficus tree to put in this planter. And I think this will go pretty smoothly because there are no nails that are holding these two together. I brought the hacksaw back because I think it's easier to use the hacksaw. I'm going to be tying the two stalks like this, and I'll be using this green fishing line, which will be practically invisible. I simply tie together the two stalks or branches, if you will, in two different places to hold them together. Unlike the vase, which had a narrow opening which allowed the tree to stand erect all by itself without any support, this planter is flared, so it can't stand up straight. It keeps falling over. And I'm gonna put pieces of foam, styrofoam, inside to keep it in place, standing up like this. I'm just gonna break up pieces of this foam. And just stick it inside the planter. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. This is how I place the styrofoam pieces to hold the tree in place in this planter. As a finishing touch, I'm going to take the grass from here and cover the styrofoam pieces with it. Here it is under better lighting, and I just plopped it on top. It's not glued on or anything, so I can just easily take it off and use it on another planter. That's it. And I think these artificial trees look pretty good.